Rongkhang LSE is 1,29,858. 1,29,858. 111 Rongkhang today. And against 112 Amai, we are having electors of 97,834. 97,834. And for both the LSEs, we are having total electors, that is 2,27,692. 2,27,692. That is total voter. During last elections, no, that is Lok Sabha elections, Rongkhang, that was having 172 polling stations, but right now, today, we are having against Rongkhang 118 numbers of polling stations. And for Amai, 112 Amai, during last Lok Sabha election, that is 2024, we are having polling stations 140, but today it is 157. So after draft publication, we are having more polling station right now. Earlier, total polling station was 312, but right now we are having 337. Almost 25 new polling stations have been there right now after draft publication. So that is all details of draft publication as on 29/10/2024. At the same time, whosoever is there as a new elected in the coming days, run up to the next elections, that is 2026 assembly elections, there is a provision that they can enroll their name as electors, new electors. Whosoever is going to be completing more than 18 years, they are automatically getting enrollment as new voters. So new voters concept is always there, and we are going to have summary divisions even before the coming elections at the same time. Like these days, no, in the next September, October also we are going to have summary division. In between, we are also in a process with BLOs to just give the new voters form number 6, so that they can be enrolled. They can be enrolled and they can franchise their vote. They can cast their vote as new electors. So that is the provision as per the norms right now. And we are having the ERO with us, ERO, Electoral Registration Officer, and since the election officer here is the Electoral Registration Officer, automatically we can approve those names whosoever comes with those form 6. So nobody will be left out in the process. We will be trying our level best to include whosoever attains the age of 18 even before the next elections also. So there are two provisions, that is during the coming session of summary division, as well as some last minute sort of additional list at the same time, whosoever attains even 2026 and whosoever attains by January the 18 years of age, we are also going to enroll those new voters as electors under these two constituencies. Automatically we are having more voters. And regarding polling stations, although we are having today after draft publication 337 numbers of polling stations for both the constituencies, it may be also going to increase in the coming days, because considering the total number of electors, we need to provide new polling stations at the same time. So it would be also going to change in the coming days. It would not remain as 337, which is today we have published as per the draft publication. So that's the details of that publication as on 29/2024. Thank you.